It's estimated that 1 in 20 children have ADHD. ADHD is characterised by above normal levels of hyperactivity, impulsive behaviours, difficulty focusing on a single task, even remaining still for an extended period. Including seafood in your child's diet is one way to help manage the symptoms associated with ADHD, as it improves brain function and behaviour. Research suggests that children with ADHD have lower blood levels of omega-3 fat. Research also puts food over dietary supplements, and the Australian Guide to Healthy Eating recommends at least 2 servings of seafood a week. If you're looking for kid-friendly recipes that are high in omega-3, try a tuna, cherry and tomato mac and cheese, or crunchy parmesan crumbed salmon pea croquettes. Tuna, celery and walnut rolls make a perfect lunch, and you can't go past the easy-to-make creamy salmon spirals. Not only will your kids love them, chances are you will too.